Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's begin with opening the dialer, as it is the first way of checking the IMEI number. Let's open it and let's enter a secret code, which is *# 06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so let me tap on OK. And right now let me show you another way which requires entering the settings. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's enter the settings. Here scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now scroll down a little bit to find both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.